So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my 1 inch and we're going to create like the water effect. So this plate's a little bit cleaner. I'm going to go over this plate. And I'm just going to take, this has water in it because I just took it out of the cup. So we want like really thin. Do you see that? If you have to put more water, you can. And I'm going to pull this across here. So I'm going to lay this down. I'm going to pull this across. Look what happens. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Don't use a whole bunch. Like, don't use a whole bunch, okay? Just gonna fuzz it out a little. And then we'll put in some brighter areas in a couple of places as well. Fuzz that out. Well, we don't want to fuzz our rope out. Definitely not. Okay. So that changes it right there. And then also, you watch this. You can take, say, your round brush, get some white, okay? And just like, you can put in a couple more, like, you can have like a reflection on the jar of, you know, little bit of highlights here. Or this could be just like, this is in the water and you have, you know, a little bit of the water reflecting, you know, here. And then we could go up further and do some reflections on the jar, up a little further. I want to keep this a little bit more even there. Okay. So I feel like we can make that a little bit brighter above that line. Okay. It's like water on the stems there. I also feel like I can make that little bit of a line that we use with the, you can use the script liner or your 1/2 inch flat. Just pull it across. Okay. I think I'm okay with that.